Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of the digital world, app maintenance costs in 2024. In this video, we'll explore why app maintenance is vital, delve into the various facets of mobile app upkeep, analyze costs based on tech stacks and user base, consider the expenses associated with high-usage apps utilizing AWS server load, examine regional differences in maintenance costs, and wrap up with 4 invaluable tips on minimizing mobile app maintenance expenses. So, let's get started. Why is app maintenance important? First things first, why is app maintenance so crucial? Well, imagine your favorite app suddenly crashing or experiencing glitches. Frustrating, right? Regular maintenance ensures that your app remains functional, secure, and user-friendly. It's not just about fixing bugs, it's about enhancing performance, incorporating new features, and adapting to evolving technologies and user needs. Explore the diverse facets of mobile app maintenance. Maintaining a mobile app involves a multitude of tasks, from debugging code and optimizing performance to updating content and ensuring compatibility with various devices and operating systems. It's a dynamic process that demands attention to detail and constant vigilance. App maintenance cost, based on the app's tech stacks and user base. Now, let's talk numbers. The cost of maintaining an app varies depending on factors like its tech stacks and user base. Apps built on complex frameworks or with extensive features may incur higher maintenance costs compared to simpler ones. Additionally, the size and engagement level of your user base can influence expenses, especially concerning server infrastructure and support. Cost analysis for high-usage app maintenance with AWS server load. For high-usage apps leveraging AWS server load, maintenance costs can escalate significantly. Managing server resources efficiently becomes paramount to avoid overspending. Proper optimization and monitoring strategies are essential to keep costs in check while ensuring seamless user experiences. What is the app maintenance cost based on different regions? It's worth noting that maintenance costs can vary based on geographic regions. Factors such as labor rates, infrastructure expenses, and regulatory requirements can impact overall expenditures. Understanding these regional nuances is crucial for budgeting and resource allocation. Middle East and Africa, UAE and South Africa, $40 to $120 per hour. North America, $80 to $300 per hour. Asia, Vietnam, China, and India, $30 to $100 per hour. Latin America, Brazil, Mexico, and Uruguay, $40 to $150 per hour. Europe, $60 to $200 per hour. For tips, how to minimize mobile app maintenance costs. Now, let's talk about practical strategies for minimizing mobile app maintenance costs. Leverage automation tools, automate repetitive tasks such as testing, deployment, and monitoring to increase efficiency and reduce manual labor costs. Embrace cloud technologies, utilize cloud platforms for scalable infrastructure and services, allowing you to pay only for what you use and avoid upfront hardware investments. Prioritize proactive maintenance, identify and address potential issues before they escalate into costly problems through regular monitoring, performance optimization, and security updates. Foster a culture of continuous improvement, encourage collaboration among development, operations, and support teams to continuously enhance app quality, performance, and user satisfaction. App maintenance isn't just a routine chore, it's the backbone of ensuring your app's longevity and success in the ever-competitive digital landscape. By implementing these tips, businesses can streamline operations, optimize expenses, and deliver exceptional user experiences while navigating the ever-evolving landscape of mobile app maintenance. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology.